This is really confusing. You know, if you look like small patterns, you go like, your eyes go completely weird. That's what's happening here. Nice to do. I already know. So here's the connection point. I made it bigger, so that's better. Bigger is better. See, I made a mistake in the design. There's a piece of this aluminium is overlapping with the connection point I actually need. So I have to do some surgery. Without cutting the other coil on the other side. It took me quite some work to make these coils again. A tweeter coil of 1 ohm. Okay, I'm gonna solder some wires. It's too bad I don't have enough room here, it's a bit messy. So, time for a coffee. Yay, new foamies. I also cut in my cutting mat, which is not a good idea. I don't know. I tried so many things. And I know it's last minute, which is not helping at all. So I'll show you, well, there's not much to see, but these are the panels that has a tweeter in the middle, so coaxial. That's why it has 4 wires. I did not like it all that much. I don't know what it is. Maybe my ears are fucked or something. They measure fine, but they do not sound nice, at least to me. Now, usually, that's the reason why these rear panels are here, the old ones. These sounded always nice to my ears, so I put them up. It's also not completely, I don't know, still not nice. So I have a problem, as in, I think I might not be able to make something before Saturday. I got one day left, and I don't like these, don't like these. And the only thing I can imagine why I don't like it might be the woofer. I might not like the combination. I'm not gonna use this woofer, but a woofer. I mean, I think the other woofers won't make much of a difference. I can try, but if then it's not working, then that's it. Well, on the other hand, I don't know how much I can build in one day. I probably cannot make a full range planar magnetic in one day. That would be great, but I'm not sure if that's gonna happen. Yeah, so that's a failure. Well, if I do not bring anything, I'll try and take the camera with me and maybe focus this time a little bit more. And if people allow me, if they want to, I'm just gonna have a listen and do a binaural recording as well. I'm just gonna sleep over it. Sleep, and maybe tomorrow I have some new energy. Whatever. Anyhow, see you later.